ಹಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ದ ಇಯರ್, ಸೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ and equilibrium. It is divided into three parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. First, external ear. External ear, it is the only part which lies outside the skull. It contains the following structure: pinna and external auditory mucus. Pinna, which is a funnel shaped organ made up of elastic fibrocartilage. It helps to collect the sound waves. And next, external auditory mucus, which is a small canal linked by skin and wax secreting glands. The vibration of sound to the tympanic membranes. And next, middle ear. It is a small cavity in the temporal bone. It is a small cavity in the temporal bone. It contains tympanic membrane, two foramina, uses chain tube, auditors, the auditory oscles. First, tympanic membrane or eardrum, which forms the lateral wall. And next, two foramina in the inner or middle wall. In inner wall called oval window and middle wall called round window. And next, Achustain tube. This Achustain tube, through which middle ear communicates anteriorly with nasopharynx. And next, auditors, a narrow channel which connects the middle ear posteriorly with mastoid and rim. And next, auditory oscles, which are three small bones arranged across the middle ear. And next is the internal ear. The internal ear contains bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth, which consists of a series of canals. The bony labyrinth contains a fluid called prelymphy. And next, membranous labyrinth, which lies within the bony labyrinth. The membranous labyrinth is filled with a fluid called endolymph. The bony labyrinth contains three structures: vestibule, cochleae, semicircular canals. And next is the mechanism of hearing. First, sound waves in air are collected by pinna. The external auditory mucus directs those waves to the tympanic membrane, which then vibrates. Next, the vibrations are transmitted by malleus, incubus and stapes to the membrane covering fenestra ovalis. Next, from the inner surface of this membrane, vibrates are transmitted to organ of Corti through prelymphy and endolymphy. From the organ of Corti, the impulses are carried to brain stream through cochlear portion of 8th nerve. And next, The fibers are then carried to auditory center of brain, which is present in the temporal lobe of the opposite side. Next, mechanism of equilibrium. Movement of head or alteration in its position produce movement of endolymph present in the semicircular canals. The movement of endolymph stimulates the nerve ending in amphibolium. The impulses are carried to brain through the vestibular portion of eighth nerve. Those impulses produce a sensation which makes us conscious about the position of the head. If the position of head is disoriented, we can then adjust it so as to maintain balance and equilibrium.